Dear baby girl, a smart single woman is often ambitious and proactive. She makes good things happen at work. She does not sit around waiting for someone else to initiate projects that could improve production, sales, customer service, marketing, product development, or staff development. So if you want to build a reputation as a valuable employee, act like a smart single woman and stop waiting for someone to step forward. You do it. Don't be one of the many people found in corporations and government agencies that choose to ignore inefficiency and waste while listening to that timid internal voice that says, "It's not my job." Instead, tackle a problem that your coworkers have been avoiding. The solution you offer may help separate you from marginal employees and lead to your next promotion. Subsequently, you may become the preferred candidate to lead teams, supervise product development, oversee quality controls, or rejuvenate old projects that have stalled because of poor leadership. Remember this: people have good ideas all of the time, but few people take the initiative, step forward, and make good things happen. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed, with all my love, your dad.